Hi guys, so today's question is number of zero filled subarrays. So given an integer array nums, return the number of subarrays filled with zero. A subarray is a contiguous non-empty sequence of elements within an array. So you are given an, for example, one nums is given 1300. So a number of contiguous subarrays. So first of all, we calculate the individual zeros, that is 0000, which is four occurrences of zero, and two occurrences of 00 and 00. In the second example, we have single occurrence of 3, 4, 5 occurrence of single zero, 3 occurrence of double zero, that is double zero, then double zero, then double zero, 1 occurrence of triple zero. Okay, so total of 5 plus 3 plus 1, that is 9. Okay, similar here in the third example, there is no zero. So what have you have to do? You have to apply some combinations, some formulas to determine the number of zero, which is contiguous also, and you have to take care of the edge cases also, like here there is no like there is at the end edge of the cases there is double zero. So let me take this problem solution. So it will return long, so I will have taken the long of count and the long of sum. So while iterating through the nums of the array, so first, ignore this. Let me take to this. If nums of I is equal to zero and nums of I is equal, nums of next element is also zero, so I will increase the count. So so there is means there is two contiguous length, two zeros of length two of contiguous sequence, and because I have taken count as one. So let me take this example. So when it comes here, it sees the next element is also zero. The count is two. When the nums of I is here, then it sees the nums of I is zero. Yes, nums of I plus one is also zero. Now the count becomes three. Now when it comes here, it will ignore this if, because if I is not equal to nums of length minus 1, it will ignore this if also and comes to else. Else it takes that yes, the current element is 0, but the next element is not 0, which is already determined by here, but the current element is 0. So what I will do now, I will take the combination of the combination formula is n plus 1 divided by 2. So here n is currently our count, that is 3, because the length of the contiguous zeros is 3. So 3 into 3 plus 1 divided by 2 and sum. So it will keep counting the sum, and I will initialize again count equal to 1, because the sequence has been broken. Now when it comes to 2, it will not come to if, it will not come to this if, it will come to else, and it will not increase the sum because the current nums of I is not equal to. This is very important statement. If you not include this, then the answer will be wrong. Then it will comes to this 0, then it comes to this if, because current element next element is 0. When it comes to last element, now it comes here. So it will see if the current element is 0, then the remaining we will calculate that in the sum will add that combination, that is n plus 1 divided by 2, and break the. So this is the edge element which you need to take care. In this case, it will not come to if, it always will go to else or if, but it will never increase the sum because the current element is never 0. Okay, this is the case where the current element is 0 and next element is not 0. Okay, then the sum will always remain 0 in this case. So all the test cases have been passed.